And the race is on right here, right now, from the outside, rushing up is La Furia Roja, moving up by the Ralis Ascal, racing on the outside is Chevron, is Leotard on the inside, Lady Pegasus and Doña Nenita is running at the tail of the field, La Furia Roja by Hapalan, followed by Ascal by the Rail. Right here, right now is racing third from the outside, running forward by about 2 lengths is Chevron. Racing in fifth, Lady Pegasus, Doña Nanita, and East Leotar is now running at the tail of the field. Back to the front runner, Ascal takes the lead from La Furia Roja. Right here, right now in second, Chevron racing on the outside, and Doña Nanita as they race the last 500. Ascal right here, right now on the outside is Chevron and Doña Nenita as they race the final corner. Ascal right here, right now in between runners. Doña Nenita is on the outside. Right here, right now, Doña Nenita is on the outside fighting for the lead. It's now 3-8 Doña Nenita right here, right now. And finally 3-8 Doña Nenita right here, right now, Chevron. Ascal.